progressively starting to see it get better and better. Still definitely want to take it slow on these roads, but
it's important you take steps to make sure you're staying safe doing so.
All right, be sure to bundle up. The breeze out there making the air feel even colder. Experts tell us you should also warm up beforehand, so make sure you're hydrated and take plenty of breaks.
Yeah, good advice there. And when picking up the snow, lift with your knees, avoid twisting. You can hurt your back that way, and both heart issues and back injuries can happen while shoveling, so just take it easy out there. If you have
Today is a Monday, January 26, 2026. Can't even open the door. Wow. એ બધું સાફ કરવાનું બાકી છે પણ આ જો લોટ આખું ભરાઈ ગયું છે. અહીંયા ભરાઈ ગયો છે. સફેદ બધાય 10 ઇંચનો પડ્યો છે. મંડે મોર્નિંગ છે ભાઈ, સવારના 7:45 થયા છે. રિપબ્લિક દિવસ જાન્યુઆરી 26, 2026. લગભગ 10 થી 12 ઇંચનો પડ્યો છે. સ્નો સાફ કરવા આવ્યો નથી, એની રીતે આવશે પછી.
East Hampton, 13. We had a few other reports from weather watchers right at a foot. So it's all about the cold. We will keep you updated on those very chilly temperatures expected over the next 7 days, coming up a little later. Caitlin?
all right, thanks, Jill. Good morning, everyone. Heading out the door here this morning, we are still dealing with some snowy roads. DOT out there working very hard to get things clear for you.